Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit a button in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first we need to log in to our account. Now click on this website button below the website you want to edit. Now go to pages in order to select the page you want to work on. Click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. As you can see, now I can select element I want to edit. Click on your button and then click on this little pen to start editing your button. You can edit the button text just like that. If you want to add a link to your button, click on edit below link. Delete this page, for example, in order to be able to select another pages of your website. You can also add a link, for example, google.com, and your button will link to google.com website. To open your link in a new tab, just check this option. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Click anywhere in this watch window. To remove this button link, click on remove link, just like that. Now let's see how to design your page. From this list, you can select between three types of buttons. Let's see the first one. You can also edit the styles of these tiers of buttons, just like that. This is the design of the primary button, or all of the primary buttons on your website. You can edit your buttons all at once. And to edit the secondary buttons on your website, you can go to the secondary tab and so on. To edit the placement of your button, just drag and move it like that. And this is how to edit your button in your Squarespace website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.